Hi, this is Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we're going to do a collaboration video with my son Elias. He has his own YouTube channel called Autism Takes On, which will be linked below in the description. And today, Elias, we're going to make cookies. And those cookies are snickerdoodles. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now that we have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, it's time to put the ingredients into our food processor. We only need a 3-cup food processor for this, so I have my little bowl into my big food processor here. And the first thing we're going to put into it is 4 medjool dates. I'm not sure if I said.
Okay, but why are we using a food processor?
Because the food processor is going to do all the hard work. It's going to mix it up for us. And I'm not sure if I said the name of those dates correctly, but it'll be on the video. Okay, put them in. Thank you. Now, put the top on the food processor. Opposite way, bud. Put in the back. Now, process for about 1 minute.
Why do we process the dates first? Why not everything?
Because that's the way it's done. And now we're going to take the spatula and we're going to scrape off, doesn't have to be perfect, the top. It's good enough for now. Scrape the sides too. Oops, there's a few bigger pieces on the sides, but we'll catch them in the next processing session. Okay, we got the dates processed, so now we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients, starting with 1 1/4 cups of almond flour into the food processor. Good. To that, we're going to add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of brown rice flour. Wonderful. Now for 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's try to bang that one out just a wee bit more. 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1/2 cup of maple sugar. 1 tablespoon of ground flax meal. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Do you want to do that or do you want me to?
I can do it.
Okay. Now remember, when you fill it up, it has to be all the way to the rim. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. One teaspoon of molasses. Yeah, this one's a little more difficult. So you need such a little bit, it's hard to stop pouring it. And you're going to need the spatula to get it off the spoon. There you go. 1/4 cup of almond milk. 1/3 cup of almond butter. You might need that. And last but not least, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Got that in? Now, scrape that off of the top of the spinny thing there a little bit, make it a little easier.
It's called a spinny thing?
It's not called a spinny thing, but it's fun calling it things that it's not supposed to be called, I guess. The blade, if you must know. Okay, put the top on, and then we're going to turn it on again until we have a lump of dough. Okay, turn it off.
That is dough.
It is dough, but you know what? Some of this stuff didn't quite make it down in, so what we're going to do is we're going to give it the suggestion that it should be mixing it with the rest of the ingredients here. And that's a normal thing you have to do with food processors. It's really not that bad, but let's give it just a few more seconds. Good. Okay, now the dough's done. So now we need to prepare the pan. So we get a piece of parchment paper to cover the pan. Oh, good. Remember to turn it over to make our lives a little easier. Now, do you remember what we need to do with our hands?
Yeah, make them wet.
Make them wet. Now we're going to take about a golf ball sized piece of dough. Give it a roll. Put it on the pan and then mush it down, but just a little bit. So it should be about a ½ inch tall.
Tall?
Yeah, tall from the pan up. Your grandmother would say that's all she wrote.
All she wrote indeed.
Okay, let's just double check. Looks good. Okay, into the oven they go.
In the oven they go.
And then set the timer for 11 minutes. Okay, we're gonna leave them cool here for about a minute, then transfer them to the wire rack and leave them cool completely. Easy enough?
Yeah.
Now for the best part, Elias, the taste test. So here's half the cookie. Okay, do you want the bigger half or the smaller half? What do you think? Good, huh?
Yep.
So this recipe gets 2 thumbs up. Awesome. Thank you for joining us here today at Healthy Home Cooking and Autism Takes On. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.